Hello sports fans, welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and this morning was flush out anything that remained in the black tank and disconnect everything at the RV park. And on my way out, paid since they were closed when I pulled in, and relocate the new spot where I'm going to be just for a night, because hopefully tomorrow I'm able to pick up the bug. But let me show you. There's the RV. There's Ninja. Oh, who knows she's on camera, so she's coming in for the close-up. Look familiar? There's the RV park I stayed at, and we're back on state land. And that's because it's for one night. It's free, it's close. I've got the storage facility, sorry, sun's setting here in a moment. Right across there where the sun's at is the storage facility, so I give Uber the address. They come pick me up to go get the bug, 7 or so miles away, and get to enjoy all this openness. Man, I was just claustrophobic with people all around yesterday, I'll tell you. It was nice to see the Christmas lights and say hi to people and stuff, but I love being out in the middle of nowhere. And so does Ninja. It's about the only place you can pet her is on the back by her tail and stuff. I'm gonna do a special on her later, all about what she likes and doesn't like. So the van that was there last night that was talked to by police, they were still here up until a half hour ago. So obviously they were told to get a permit, or they had a permit, or the cops just didn't care. There's a schoolie over there to the right of the RV, which is it's a short one. School bus converted into an RV type thing. There's a car that's been parked over there for about an hour. And this old Class A came in about 10 minutes ago. Apparently Ninja found this rock that I'm against, that she loves. Let me show you how she likes to play. She likes to scratch and bite. Ever since she was a kitten. There's no way around it. Can't pet her stomach too long, because she'll scratch and bite. She's feisty. Can't pet her on the back of the head like most cats. Just watch what happens after a minute. Yeah, see? She doesn't like it. Oh, doesn't like that. Feisty cat. Coyote's got to worry about you. And another day in the bucket. Beautiful sunset over the storage area. Well, here we are. The next day. Still doing the same thing in the same place. Because apparently my door handle part is not going to be until tomorrow. So, that being said, they told me when I called them today that they'll get in the part tomorrow and be able to get it all set up. So hopefully that happens, and then we can grab some groceries, fill up on some propane, and head to the new state land spot. So Ninja and I are just relaxing inside now and hoping that the part comes in tomorrow so I can pick up the car, go grocery shopping. Thanks for watching. I know this was a short one, but another day in my life. Hope you enjoyed Ninja. Smash that thumbs up button if you did. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. I post new videos right now every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Go out there, be positive, be nice, be active.